But going back to the injunction filed last night, what exactly does it mean for both sides? Orko Manna continues our team coverage to explain. Orko.
Yeah, Kristen, well, CCSD's emergency motion for a temporary restraining order and preliminary injunction is laid out in this 50-page court document. The school district says there will be consequences if teachers strike, calling the union's actions a blatant threat.
They're following a process outlined in state law.
Putting pressure on the teachers union. CCSD's request for an injunction relies heavily on Nevada Revised Statute 288, which says it's illegal for public employees such as teachers to strike. Education expert Brad Mariano says if the court sides with the school district, penalties can be put in place.
They could fine the union up to $50,000 a day during the strike. They could fine teachers union leaders up to $1,000 a day, and they could actually decertify the teachers union.
In the court document, CCSD says the teachers union knows that threatening to strike is illegal and they simply don't care, adding that a strike, quote, will significantly and irreparably impact the safety, health, well-being, and educational rights of children in the state of Nevada.
The statute says shall.
But litigation attorney Todd Kennedy says CCSD's legal action isn't necessarily a slam dunk.
The standard, at least in for most injunctions, is there is a threat of irreparable harm, and the court needs to hold the status quo. In terms of how those play out, the court has some discretion, usually, in terms of weighing the merits, weighing the relative harms.
As the teachers union prepares to meet once again with the school district, CCEA leaders are standing strong in the wake of this motion.
It's not going to deter us from trying to get a contract that meets the needs of all these educators. We're going to continue. But we're prepared with our legal arguments to go before the judge.
But experts agree.
So the best thing for kids right now is for the two sides to come together and find an agreement and avoid the strike.
The court hearing to look into CCSD's injunction is scheduled for Thursday, September 5th. That's only 5 days before the teachers union plans to go on strike. Back to you.